How to install Claude Code on your PC or laptop. First, open any browser and search for Claude Code docs. Then open the Claude Code overview page. Once the page opens, scroll down a little to the Get Started section. Here you'll see commands for different operating systems like Mac, Linux, and Windows. Since we're installing it on Windows, copy the Windows PowerShell command. Then open PowerShell as administrator. Paste the command and hit Enter. Now wait for a few seconds while Claude starts installing. But in case you get an error like Claude Code on Windows requires Git for Windows, that means Git is missing and Claude Code couldn't install properly. Don't worry, in that same error message, you'll see a Git for Windows link. Copy it, open Chrome, and paste it there. Now here, you'll find Git for Windows x64 setup. Click on it and the installer will start downloading. Once downloaded, double-click on it to start the setup. Just keep clicking Next and leave almost everything on default. When it asks for a default editor, you can choose Vim, VS Code, or anything you prefer. Since I already have VS Code installed, I'll go with that. After that, just keep clicking Next until Git gets installed. Now go back to the Claude Code page again, copy the same command, paste it into PowerShell, and hit Enter. This time, Claude Code should install successfully. Once it's installed, you may see setup notes showing a path, so copy this path. Then open Windows Search and type Environment Variables. Click on this. Then inside System Variables, select Path and click Edit. Now paste that copied path into a blank line and click OK on everything. Now to check if Claude is installed successfully, first open PowerShell, then type Claude --version and hit Enter. If it shows a version, you're good to go. Now to run Claude, simply type Claude in the same CMD window and hit Enter. On first launch, it may ask you to choose a theme and login method. Just choose the option you prefer and complete the login process. And that's it.